In this video, I'll show you how you can purchase an office in GTA 5 Online. All you have to do is bring up the phone. So press the up arrow on the D-pad if you're on console, or if you're on PC, press the up arrow on the keyboard and then scroll down and select internet. And then from here, choose money and services, and then scroll down and select Dynasty Executive. Choose that and then select enter site. And then at this section, simply select offices, and then you should see a list of all the available offices on the map. So find the office that you'd like to buy. So let's say, for instance, this particular one, and you should see the amount you need to have so that you can purchase it. So you can select buy, and then you can customize a couple of options. You can customize the decor, you can customize the personnel, you can also customize the organization name, and also you can choose the font that you'd like to use for that particular organization name. You can also choose to have a gun locker or a safe, and also if you want to have accommodation. Now, once you're done, simply click on buy and you'll have successfully purchased an office. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.